Alright, we are doing the raffle, 10-spot raffle for some Sexton Firebirds or Coaling Thunderbirds. There's the list right there. Start at 12:50 p.m. Okay, PayPal proof right there, and proof that I paid the Snap-on guy today as well. Alright, Cody, Jeremy, Josh right there, PayPal proof. Random, there's the green lock, green writing. Let's do refresh. Refresh. And one more refresh. And we got 10 numbers. Good luck, everybody. Number 10 is the winner. We've got a winner at 12:51 p.m. here in beautiful Montana. Cody Duncan, you are number 10. Send me a message, let me know what you want. Thank you, everybody.